how to log in CapCut on PC. So if you want to log in CapCut on your PC, then if you have your application, you can simply open up your CapCut application. Or if you don't have the application on your PC, then you can go with your browser and then you can go with the CapCut login or sign in, and you can have this kind of interface. So in order to sign in or log into your CapCut, here on the upper left side, you will have a sign in option. Simply click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, now here you will have this kind of interface where if you want to sign in with your QR code on your PC, then you need to simply choose the option of PC sign in QR code. Simply click on it and here you will have the QR code, right? So what you need to do is just simply take your mobile device. Once you're here on the mobile, you need to simply search for CapCut and open up your CapCut application on your mobile device. Once you open, now you need to sign into your CapCut on your mobile device. Once you're signed in, now you need to go for me, which is here on the bottom right, and here on the upper right you will have a 3-bar icon, right? Tap on that, and here on the first option you will have scan. So simply tap on scan. Once you tap on scan, here you will have this kind of interface, and now what you need to do is simply take your mobile device and scan the QR code which you have on your PC screen. Once you scan, now here you just need to simply tap on confirm to sign in on CapCut desktop. And once you tap on confirm, you will be signed in. So that's how you can sign in on your CapCut with your QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.